In this video, I'm going to show you how can you create and manage pages in your website or online store using Mozello. The first step is to click on the Pages section in the left side menu. Then you will see a window open where you will have multiple options. The first option is a button Add New, which basically allows you to create new pages for your website. The second option is managing the languages and the pages that go under those languages. And the third option is you can manage all the pages that you have already created. One option is to change their order by simply dragging them. You can add subpages and delete the page. However, if you click on the name of the page, you will have an option to edit the page title, edit the page address, and under the advanced settings, you will see that you can add SEO parameters like title tag, meta description, and also choose in which menu you want the page to be shown. For example, if you check a checkbox Show in Main Menu, the page will be shown in the main menu. However, you can also show the page in the footer menu or only in the footer menu. Once you've done adjusting the settings, simply click on the button Save.